Welcome. In front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to connect a monitor to this laptop. So you have 3 ports on the left side edge of your PC. A VGA port, the HDMI port, and the DisplayPort right here. So pick one, insert your cable into one of these ports and the other side of the cable into the monitor, then connect the monitor to the power source. After that, you have to simply press Windows and P combination of keys on your laptop, and then select either duplicate or extend option. If you want the monitor to duplicate the image from your display, then select this option, and if you want the monitor to be an extension of your display, then select extend option. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.